She stays a stranger. Oh, with every move he makes, another chance he takes, the odds are he won't live to see tomorrow. Secret agent man, secret agent man, well, they've given you a number and they've taken away your name. Beware of pretty faces that you find. A pretty face can hide an evil mind. Be careful what you say, or you'll give yourself away. The odds are he won't live to see tomorrow. Secret